Hey y'all, it is Giacomo. Check out this new Kickstarter campaign from Habit Toothpaste. Wakes you up and puts you to bed. Might even put the cat out.
It's time to change your life without changing your habits. Introducing Habit Toothpaste, the Swiss Army knife of personal care products. We believe you need two different toothpastes because your routine is different from day to night. You get both our morning and evening toothpaste in one bundle. Our morning formula, Activate, comes infused with caffeine, B12, and vitamin D, while also cleaning and whitening your teeth. But what happens when you have that early morning meeting the next day and you need your rest? That's where our evening product, Unwind, comes in. Unwind is infused with melatonin, chamomile, and lavender, while again, still cleaning and whitening your teeth so that you fall asleep smiling. Our toothpaste capitalizes on our unique and potent absorption methods that allow your mouth and gums to absorb the nutrients much quicker than if they were ingested orally. Because looking great and feeling great don't always go hand in hand, at Habit, we don't think you should have to choose. Look incredible, feel incredible, be incredible with Habit Toothpaste. Same habits, new life.